Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a luxurious shipping container hotel in Kluang, Malaysia. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern shipping container hotel. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. This container facility can be said to be one of Malaysia's most luxurious container bed and breakfast. The containers are patched 2 on 2 with a common circulation space with footbridges in between the two pairs of containers that form a housing unit. A unit is made up of 8 shipping containers with a stack of 4 shipping containers on either side, linked by staircases and footbridges. The containers are stacked in a cantilevered design and sheared horizontally to create a covered terrace along the frontage of the accommodation units and an exposed roof deck at the back. The containers are covered with an additional lean-to steel roof with big overhangs to give design flair to the structure and also to shield the containers from the elements. The housing units are roofed in groups of 8 shipping containers that form a unit. The facilities has got 4 different room types that accommodate different segments of visitors. Each room has a guest room, a TV, a dresser, and an exquisite toilet. The room also has hot and cold water and 1 or 2 large beds depending on the type of room, plus an additional balcony upstairs. The rooms have got different accommodation rates on weekends, varying from accommodation rates for the weekdays. The room's interior decor is warm and elegant. The overall interior space of the units is lined with timber or manufactured timber boards. The plasterboard ceilings are painted white and fitted with bulkhead ceiling lights. The walls in some rooms are painted white to make the spaces appear more prominent and look brighter, helping to eliminate that claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. The flooring is finished with elegant floor tiles in some rooms and others with laminated timber flooring. From outside, the facility celebrates its building blocks from shipping containers without any apologies. The grooves of the raw gray-painted shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial design of the hotel. The amazing facilities include a centrally placed private pool, a karaoke, a barbecue, and kitchen facilities, plus a mahjong room. The facility also has nicely landscaped garden for outdoor activities, including parties and weddings. The swimming pool forms the focal point of the facilities, with the accommodation units facing the swimming pool. The different container blocks are joined by sheltered walkways to enhance functionality. The accommodation units are fitted with big-sized windows for maximum daylighting and natural ventilation. We love the quality of workmanship used in the execution and the building of this amazing container facility. What do you like about this amazing shipping container hotel? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.